In 1904, the Supreme Court ordered the breakup of the Northern Securities Company, a massive holding company that controlled major railroads in the Northwest. This decision was a landmark victory for President Theodore Roosevelt's trust-busting agenda. Here's how it happened. In 1901, J. P. Morgan, James J. Hill and E. H. Harriman formed the Northern Securities Company to manage the Great Northern, Northern Pacific, and Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy railroads. This created a monopoly that controlled a huge portion of the railroad network in the Northwest. The company's structure, which allowed it to control competing railroads, was deemed illegal. The Sherman Antitrust Act of 1890 was designed to prevent monopolies and other anti-competitive practices in interstate commerce, and the Roosevelt administration used it to challenge Northern Securities. The U.S. Justice Department sued the company, and the case went all the way to the Supreme Court. In a 5-4 decision, the court ruled that Northern Securities was a violation of the Sherman Antitrust Act. It also set a precedent for future antitrust cases and helped shape the legal landscape for corporate regulation in the United States. This case was a major victory for the president's trust-busting agenda, and it showed that the government had the power to challenge even the most powerful corporations.